Birkbeck was founded 200 years or so ago and has always been set up to provide an accessible education, higher education, available to anyone who wants to access it, regardless of their circumstances. I'm Sally Wheeler and I'm Vice-Chancellor of Birkbeck, University of London. So we've tried to evolve using the most modern technology available to fit an education into people's lives.
To provide this amount of HyFlex technology into teaching spaces is something which, to this scale for sure, hasn't really been done. The project spans all of their university buildings and was deployed into approximately 70 classrooms and 10 lecture theatres.
Flexibility and accessibility was a really important part. The whole idea with HyFlex technology is that it enables students to be able to access their teaching, whether they're in the classroom or at home, and they should have equity of experience. Our students, they have full-time jobs, children or caring responsibilities, and it's really great as well considering, the number of students we have that have physical, mental or learning disabilities. Again, it just makes it more accessible for them.
In terms of the journey of HyFlex, that has been quite exciting and thrilling for us, because we really started from not knowing very much about HyFlex. We went through a very, very extensive period of consultation with academics who teach, students. We also consulted with colleagues in professional services that are using this kind of equipment, this kind of technology.
We had a few different groups of stakeholders that were really key to making everything happen. The AV team and facilities, room bookings and IT. And then we also have a whole swathe of academic and teaching staff who are involved in retraining and delivering all of this HyFlex teaching to students. Working with GVAV was really a collaborative experience. They've been involved from the very beginning in helping us choose the right solution for us and for our students, putting together all of this technology in such a way that we can really deliver that equity of experience for the students both at home and in the classroom.
And I'm so grateful that college has now put in all this technology in every lecture room. It's made my life so much easier. So now we have the 2 big screens, the screen at the back and the 3 monitors, and the students can not only see the PowerPoint presentation, but they can also see the chat. And so the people in the room and people online are basically communicating so they can see, and I can see their faces on the back screen as well. So the experience of delivering HyFlex teaching has become so much easier, and the students enjoy it.
The technologies central to the HyFlex set are based around ViewSonic displays for touch and collaborative use. These are on Neo mounts height adjustable brackets to enable a bit more accessibility to the system. So central to our HyFlex is quality audio and video. We've achieved this through using Shure MXA 920s for room capture of audio and AVA PTZ cameras for presentation and presenter tracking. We've also included some lecture theatres. These have been based around the same control system being under the Extron domain.
And we have achieved an important step, which was the step of having consistent technology across the estate. So now we have 75 flat floor classrooms and 10 lecture theatres that are equipped in a specific way, but people going into these spaces will be able to operate them equally well because they are exactly the same. Birkbeck has also invested heavily in innovative spaces. And there are 2 large areas now. One is an immersive learning center that has a studio, a computer lab and a classroom, heavily featuring things, for instance, for motion capture and immersive experiences with headsets. We also have opened a center for creative AI. And there is a large space for content creation, there is a smaller space for production purposes, and there is a new podcasting area.
So one of the most exciting parts of the HyFlex rollout was the Centre for Creative AI, where we've designed and built a virtual production suite based around the Sony Verone LED wall.
All of these things really are about the commitment of the institution to support the learning of our students with new technologies.
I think
The difference of this project is the sheer scale, and wide-scale deployment of HyFlex is a really big investment. It's a big statement, and it's something they can be very, very proud of for sure.
If you can stream a video on your phone, why can't you stream your class? And this now allows us to deliver education to people who would find it very difficult to complete otherwise. The best 2 weeks of my job at Birkbeck are graduation week, where you see those students walking across the platform beaming with smiles. HyFlex is an integral part of getting them there.